Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBD tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, we will gonna migrate our Magnus Billing server, or just tutorial. How do you uh, transfer your Magnus Billing 7. So this one is my old Magnus Billing server. But okay. So if you check the configuration, is using 7 8.53, and then this is the one that we installed. Okay, as you can see, settings and under our local machine. So this one was hosted in Contabo. Okay, so now we will do the migration. So first we need to back up our old Magnus billing. Okay. Okay, so we will continue. So first you need to back up the database from here. So uh to back up, so you need to go to your Magnus. So then to check your SQL password, so you need to access this password local and then type only MySQL hyphen u, then the user root, then password, then copy the password showed. So you are now inside the MySQL, and then check the database. Show databases. Okay, so as you can see, we have we have the database here. Okay, this one. So we're going to dump the database. Okay, so gonna exit, and then to make a dump, so you need to run this command. Okay, copy. Okay, then your SQL password. Okay, so as you can see, we have already have backup last July 24. So we will use that, and we'll download the backup and then upload on our server. So from here, I got on the FTP. So this is the July 24 backup. As you can see, this one. Okay, I'm gonna upload here. Okay. So it's uploading on our local server. And then gonna go back here. So from the Magnus Billing GitHub, so you need to go migrating from, yeah, you can click this one. So because he's a SRX 13 to 20, what I've been do is we completely installed Magnus Billing 8, and we'll we just upload the um, database. Okay. So this is only thing we need to do. Okay, just go here. Okay, this one. Okay. So after the database uploaded, so go here on your Magnus Billing local. As you can see, our database is already there from our Magnus Billing 7. And then from here, we don't I think we don't have a password because they're using root password. So show databases. As you can see, you see the Magnus Billing over there. So based on here, the dump. So you can copy this command, okay, and go back to the SSH. Exit this one. Okay, clear more now. Then enter. Okay, as you can see, new database. They drop the old database. Okay, and then recreated. Okay. Okay. And then after that, go back on here. So as you can see, actually from here they are importing now, but we already have the database inside. The backup is one. So we will do is to so we will do this one. So import the database. So MySQL billing and then the signed. Okay, and then enter. Okay, just wait a few minutes while the database uploading. Okay. Okay, so this is our Magnus billing. See? So we can duplicate to see the progress. So MySQL use M billing. Use okay. Yeah, it's still on loading. Okay. It's on each tab. Yes, you can see it's adding. Okay. Working. Just wait a few minutes while all the data been uploaded and we can able to test. Okay. So don't forget once again, this is HBT tutorial for your basic setup installation configuration for some open source application. Okay, so thank you. While you so after the successful uploading the database, we will run this migration. So this is will be the migration from the tables and other on the database. So from 7 to 8. Okay. And also it will migrate from PJZip, ChanZip to PJZip. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I think it takes too long, so we need to wait until the migration finish. So let's see what the process inside. Okay, and then use MB link. Hashtag that. Or gonna be to process list. Yeah, it's updating. It's on package CDR. Yeah, it's uploading the packages. Okay, SCDR field. So it's better to clear the CDR so that it will not take too long for if you want to clear. But as you can see, inserting, updating. Okay, create table package trunk. Okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah, as you can see, is was successful. Then go back here. You need to run this one. Okay. Then okay. Okay, so converted to BJZip and other things. So current database version and upgraded to latest version. Okay, let's check if I refresh. Okay, so let's see. As you can see, password is not valid. Okay. Okay, so let's check our password now. Okay. So as you can see now, this is our old one. So already update. And then from here, you need to update your IP address with your new IP address 192.168.20. Okay. And then we can go here and check. So asterisk. So as you can see, zip show is not working anymore because we are running PJ zip. PJ zip show ours. So as you can see, okay, reload, reload. Okay, okay. This is our old account that been used before, but we completely stopped. Okay. Okay, so PJZip show endpoints. Yeah, still we don't have. This should be our endpoint. Okay, so it look like let's try if I will create one zip user. For example, we create new. Just we need to test new. Okay, for user. Okay, dynamic na. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we have this one. Then we'll configure down in our cell phone. 1000. Okay, so our from here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, so you can see it was on hold. Okay, so if I check on here, PJZip show registration or cars. So it was registered. Okay. So if I want to dial, yeah, so you can see. Okay. So it was working. So hope you are enjoy our video for migrating your Magnus Billing 7 to Magnus Billing 8. So once again, this is HBD tutorial and thank you and bye bye.